Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to easily watch Telegram videos in app without Terabox. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are looking to watch your Telegram videos directly within the app without any third-party services like Terabox, you can simply follow these steps. You can simply open the chat containing that particular video. As Telegram supports in-app video streaming for certain video formats, it will allow you to watch videos without downloading them entirely. So once you have opened the chat, if the video is streamable, a play button will appear on the thumbnail. Simply tap on the play button to stream the video directly, and after doing this, you will be simply able to watch that video without having to use any Terabox app. You can also use Telegram bots to access direct video links along with this, or access these videos via your desktop browser. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.